Here's the truth. Your video doesn't fail because it's bad. Most of the time, it fails because nobody clicked in the first place. And the reason? Your thumbnail. Now look at this one. Looks like a real photo, right? But I didn't touch a camera. I made it with AI. This one too. And this one. All created in minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how I design realistic scroll-stopping thumbnails using Leonardo AI step by step. Before I show you the tutorial, let me make something clear. Thumbnails are the #1 reason people click or scroll past your video. You could spend hours creating the perfect content, but if your thumbnail doesn't stop people in their tracks, your video is invisible. That's why I switched to AI. It makes my thumbnails look professional, saves me hours, and honestly, it makes my channel look way more clickable. So let's dive into how you can do it too. First, head over to Leonardo AI and log in. Once you're in, click on the image generation tab. Now, thumbnails live and die by one thing, how they look at a small size. So you need a prompt that's simple, clear, and powerful. For example, if I'm making a tech tutorial thumbnail, I'll type something like a hyper-realistic photo of a man shocked looking at a glowing laptop screen, cinematic lighting, YouTube thumbnail style, bold colors, clear background. Notice how I'm being very specific, lighting, emotion, background, and that's what makes the image stand out. I will put all the prompts I used in my description below in case you want to use mine or refine it. Click generate and boom, you'll see different variations. Pick the one that looks the most realistic. If it's close but not perfect, refine the prompt. Add words like high quality, photorealistic, or even specify the camera angle like close-up portrait. Once you've got the image, download it and bring it into Canva. This is where I add text, logos, or any final details. Keep the text minimal, 3 to 4 words max, and make sure it contrasts with the background. Remember, clarity beats clutter. Now let me show you a bonus step that makes this process even faster. Before I even open Leonardo AI, I go to ChatGPT and simply type in what I want to create. For example, I'll tell it I want to make a YouTube thumbnail for my video titled "How I Make Realistic Thumbnails with AI" or any video you are interested in. ChatGPT will then generate a ready-made prompt for me, customized for my title and idea. I just copy that prompt, paste it straight into Leonardo AI, and boom, it generates the exact thumbnail concept I need, without me having to think too hard about wording. And that's it. That's how I create realistic YouTube thumbnails with AI using Leonardo. Now, it's your turn. For your next video, try making your thumbnail this way and compare it to your old style. You'll be shocked at the difference in clicks. If you want me to break down how I come up with titles that work with these thumbnails, drop a comment below and let me know. I'll make that my next tutorial. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's grow your channel together.